Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preheating the sandwich maker for 3 to 5 minutes so the plates reach even heat. This gives crisp edges. While it heats, whisk 1 egg and 1 cup milk until smooth, then add 1 cup flour and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix briefly. Lumps are fine. Overmixing makes tough waffles. Once done, brush plates with a thin layer of oil to prevent sticking, and test a small drop of batter to confirm the temperature before filling full. Now you spoon 1/3 to 1/2 cup batter into the center of the lower plate. Less is better than overflow. Close the lid gently and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Timing depends on your sandwich maker's wattage and batter thickness, so check after 3 minutes for color. Make sure not to press down hard. You want steam to escape. When edges look golden and firm, open slowly, and use a silicone spatula to lift the waffle to avoid scratching the plates. You finish by placing cooked waffles on a wire rack to keep them crisp while you make the rest, rather than stacking them. Serve immediately with syrup, fruit, or butter. If you need to hold them, reheat in a toaster oven for 3 to 4 minutes to restore crunch. If waffles stick, make sure the plates are hot before batter, brush slightly more oil, reduce batter per cavity, and preheat longer. These adjustments address temperature and surface adhesion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.